Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gun cleaning kit that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Allen Ultimate Gun Cleaning Kit. Allen is a 65-piece universal gun cleaning kit with a large, high-quality toolbox-style carrying case. This is the professional level of gun cleaning kits with 3 levels of cleaning tools. If there's a brush, jag, slotted tip, swab, patch, or anything else you need to make sure your firearm is always in optimal condition, you'll find it here. It includes components for your standard rifle and pistol calibers, as well as your 12-gauge, 20-gauge, and .410 bore shotguns. If you're looking to break out the big guns, so to speak, this is right up your alley. Moving on at number 4, we have the Otus TADE Universal Handgun Cleaning Kit. The fact that it's so cheap may have a lot to do with it. But don't think this affordable kit isn't worth looking at, just because it's cheap. It sports more than 4,700 ratings and over 800 reviews that prove its worth. We were surprised at how comprehensive this cleaning kit is. Steady includes phosphor bronze bore brushes, brass jags, 2 sizes of bronze slotted tips, a nylon brush, a metal gun cleaning pick, and 100 cleaning patches. The only thing missing is a cleaning solution, but you could pair this with Hobby's No. 9 Elite Gun Cleaning Kit and have everything you could ever need. At number 3, we have the IUNIO Universal Handgun Cleaning Kit. If you are looking for a great mid-range gun cleaning kit with universal accessories, this product brings you just that. Designed to clean rifles, shotguns, and handguns alike, this is a top-rated gun cleaning kit that allows you to clean your entire collection. Use one of the 14 bronze brushes, one of the 100 cleaning patches, and one of the 6 solid brass rods to make sure your barrel is squeaky clean. We appreciate this kit because IUNIO uses high-quality brass to save your guns from damage, while the accessories all remain durable and effective. The portable case keeps your tools organized and on hand whenever you need them. Of course, be sure to also own a quality gun safe for your home. At number 2, we have the Otus Elite Gun Cleaning Kit. The Otus Elite Cleaning Kit system might be the best gun cleaning kit. This system can be used on pistols and rifles from .17 to .50 caliber, as well as all of the common shotgun gauges. This kit also works like a charm on inline muzzle loaders. This is a professional-grade cleaning kit that includes virtually everything you'll need to keep your firearms spotless, from front sight to recoil pad. Of course, one of these best biometric gun safes on the market is also a must-have for every responsible gun owner. And finally at number 1, we have the Otis Technology Cleaning Kit. Otis Technology Cleaning Kit is not only equipped with bronze bore brushes, locking lug scrapers, a pin punch, and memory flex cables. It also includes an obstruction remover, brass scrapers, brass picks, and a BONE cleaning tool that takes care of bolts and firing pins. Plus, Otis includes a bottle of lubricant, which is rare for a cleaning kit. This zippered case keeps everything neat and tidy and is easy to pack on the go. A microfiber gun cloth keeps the exterior looking sleek and shiny, so you can shine at the range this weekend. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.